Welcome to my YouTube channel Kadam Academy. Friends, today we are going to study the recording techniques for method study. Various method study techniques are there. In the method study, we have the different steps. First, we have to select the job. In second phase, we have to record the work study related to that method. The operator will operate. Different techniques, recording techniques are here shown to you. To this flow diagram, see recording techniques for method study. It may be by charts or by diagram. Under the charts, micro motion charts and macro motion chart and micro motion charts are there. In macro motion, the again 5 different charts are there. We are going to study. We are going to study in 5 different videos. First video on the operation or the outline process chart. Second is the flow process chart. And third video on the 200 process chart, multiple activity chart and travel chart. This is combinedly one video, and this 3 video on these 5 different charts. So friends, watch the videos. And also on micro motion charts, what are the thumb links and the SIMO chart, you will study under this video. Fourth video, and lastly the fifth video on the diagrams. It will include the flow diagrams, string diagram, and cycle graph and chronocycle graph. These all charts are explained with the examples, case studies. So please watch carefully. So what you will learn after completion of those videos, the student or learner will be able to learn. You are able to learn understand the concept of first method study, how it will be, and after that describe the objectives of method study. After that, we are going to learn, student will learn and apply the method study steps for improving the methods. And next, a student able to describe method study symbols. And lastly, these different charts, diagrams, process charts, operational charts, different you are able to analyze and construct recording techniques for these different charts, micro motion study chart or diagrams using method study. Of that working process. Next is the method study, nothing but the technique of systematic recording. Already we have studied this definition, but I have to say you, it's a systematic recording of critical examination of existing and proposed ways of doing work and developing an easier and economical method. That method will easier to that working operator and also cost effective, and that will profit or increase the productivity. That is nothing but the economical method. So then what will be the objectives of method study? Some objectives are defined here. First objective, to study the existing proposed method of doing a job, operation or activity. That must be your first objective. After that, improvement of manufacturing processes and procedures by observing it. That must be your objective under method study. And also the objective of this method study, the improvement, ultimately what will happen, improvement of working condition will be improved, and ultimately after this objective, this we can eliminate the wasteful and inefficient motions. Whatever the motions worker are doing, if some motions are inefficient, that also we can reduce by the observing it and modifying it with the standards. So what will happen then? The objective, the reducing the human efforts, that will be also objective, and ultimately we have to reduce the fatigue. Those who are working operator on the side, so we have to reduce that fatigue also. So the operator when working, there must be some fatigue. So we have to reduce the material handling also, and these are we have to standardize the process. So friends, Two more objectives we'll study. The objectives means what? Improvement of plant and equipment design. Whatever the plants and equipments are there, we are using for this industry. The workplace layout also we have to improve according to the new modifications in industry. Whatever we were introducing in industry, that will done by this process by robotics, or that must be improved the workplace, and so that we can increase the productivity. The improvement in the utility of material, machines and manpower. Whatever the new trends are going on, we have to utilize that one also. Okay, that is also important. And standardization of methods. Whatever the standardization method will be there, that will also increase the productivity. So friends, here I want to introduce some safety standards must be defined here. To standardize the work methods or processes, working condition, machinery, equipments and tools. Whatever that must be safety to those who are working, operator. That must be safety. These chart diagrams, recording techniques, this methods-free procedure after selecting the job. The work to be studied is to record all the facts related to existing methods. We have to go at a workplace and keep it the recording how the work is going on. These are the images. The scientists who are developed this one, the records are useful to make the before after comparison to assess the effectiveness of the proposed improved method. So these recording techniques are designed to simplify and standardize the recording work. Okay, and this graphical method of recording was originated by Gilbert, Frank Bunker Gilbert, and his wife Lillian Olier. Okay, so they developed this one. Method study symbols used in the charts, various charts, or these symbols are used to make a presentation of the facts clearly without any ambiguity, and grasping must be quickly and clearly to the everyone. So friends, this is a flow chart for recording techniques used in method study that we are going to study in different video. First is the charts. Under these charts, and second is the diagram for recording techniques. These two we are going to study. Under these charts, macro motion charts and micro motion charts. Under this macro motion charts, we are going to study 5 different methods like operation process chart, flow process chart, two-handed process chart, multiple activity chart, travel chart, and under this micro motion chart, SIMO chart, we are going to study. Similarly, for diagrams, the flow diagrams, string diagram, cycle graph, chronocycle graph, so why these different, all the charts are there, and for what purpose, which chart we have to use, and with the examples, I have developed these videos. Watch all the 5 videos on this recording techniques. Now we'll go for the in detail study for the symbols used in method study. The 5 major symbols are there. First is the operation. It is represented by a circle. Inspection by rectangle, and transportation by this arrow. Delay like a D. See, this is a like a D, big D, and storage is triangle, and 6th one is the combined activity. That square, inside the square, circle is there. Out of this, we will study one by one with examples. The operations represented by the circle. This operation symbol used in the various charts or diagrams when an object is intentionally changed in one or more of its characteristics, like its physical or chemical. Like example, turning is the operation, drilling, milling, or chemical reaction, or welding, brazing, riveting, lifting, loading, unloading, getting instructions from supervisor, or taking dictation. Like these are the examples of the operations. The ASME standard set of the process chart symbols are represented here. The operation is the large circle indicates an operation such as drive nail, where removing the nail, or mixing, or drill hole. These are just for your representation. These are the activities, or these are come under the operations. Similarly, next is the inspection. Inspection represented by this rectangle, and inspection occurs when an object is examined and compared with the standards for quality and quantity. For example, visual observation of finish or finish. Okay, a count of quantity of incoming material, checking the dimensions. Like these are the inspection, and these examples for the inspection, examining the material for quality and quantity, read the steam gauge or boiler, what is the pressure, that is also come under the inspection. Examining the printed form or information, that is also come under inspection. That is also the second type of the symbol. The third type of symbol is the transportation. It is represented by this arrow. The transport indicates the movement of workers or material or equipment from one place to another place. Then the transportation symbol you have to represent on the charts. Examples are movement of material from one work to station to another workstation. Workers traveling to bring the tools, that is also come the transportation. And the ASME standard transportations are some examples to clear you idea. The material movement by truck from one place to another place by conveyor, or move material by carrying that worker or messenger. That is also come under service industry. Okay, so these are the transportation. Next method symbol is nothing but the delay. It is represented by big D. Okay, delay occurs when the immediate performance of the next plan thing does not take place. Example, work waiting between the consecutive operations, a worker waiting at a tool cribs, okay, or work operators waiting for instruction from supervisors. These are the delay. Example are represented for your clear: wait for elevator, or the material in truck or floor at bench waiting to be processed, or paper waiting to be filed. So like this, some delay examples are shown to you. And fifth one is the storage, represented by this triangle. Storage occurs when the object is kept in an authorized custody, or it is protected against the unauthorized removal. So the material kept in stores or to be distributed to various work centers, that is where it will kept, that is the storage. So example of the storage, this representation by triangle, and this like these tanks, big tanks, raw material bulk storage, or finished stock and racks. Okay, or protective filing documents, or filing racks are there, or cupboards are there to keep the files. Lastly, the combined activity is nothing but the combined activity that will indicate the control storage in which material is received into or issued from a store under some form of authorization, or an item is written for reference purposes. So that is combined activities. Okay. So these first five are very major. Okay. It is required. This slide is only for yourself. Please pause the video for 5 minutes and try to write one answer of question what you understand from previous part of video. And if you able to write, if not, just try watch video again and again, and we'll play the video after 5 minutes. Now you can play the video. दोस्तों, in part 1 already we had covered this recording techniques, flow process chart and operation process chart. Our recording technique is by using the chart and diagrams. In chart, already two methods were studied. In this lecture, we are going to study the two-handed process chart, or left hand or right hand, left hand chart. See friends, this chart, the activities of workers or operators, both hands or limbs are recorded chronographically. You can visualize in these some videos here. It is the process chart in which the activities of both the hands or two hands of operator are recorded. The motion of both hands of worker are right hand and left hand are recorded independently. Okay, that means it shows whether the two hands of operator are ideal or moving in relation to one another in a time scale. Friends, it's generally used for repetitive operations. 200 process chart, whatever the operation process symbol or method study symbols were studied, here operation symbol is represent for what purpose? The hand is shown to you here. How the hand grasps, position, use, release that material or that product, PC, for tool or component of material. So that is the operation. Transport. Here, transport means it will represent in this 200 process chart movement of hand or limb to or from the work or tool or material. Okay, or picking up the material and the tool or the work, doing the work. Or that is a transport. We have to represent by transport. Delay refers to the time when hand or limbs are ideal. It is represented by D. Storage, hold. While the term hold is used here instead of storage. Not storage, we have to use hold term. This refers to the time when work is held by hand. And the activity inspection by hand is considered as an operation. Hence, the symbol of inspection is not used here in this chart. Directly, we can write the word inspection. The 200 process chart can be used for assembly, machining, and clerical job also. So, friends, what is the objective of this 200 process chart? We have to do the investigation, or is to eliminate or reduce the unwanted motions of the hand and to arrange the remaining motions in a best sequence. This 200 process chart is made up of two columns in which the activities of left hand and right hand and the appropriate symbols are respectively recorded in a sequence. Friends, these activities of two hands are interrelated by aligning the symbols on the chart so that the movements by both the hands appear opposite to each other or not, or how they do. The additional column also can add in the chart can be designed to record the activities of the other parts of the body whenever it is necessary. So see, this is the one simple example to clear your idea. This is a left hand operation, a right hand operation column. And what is the task? Signing a letter. A man with the left hand, he hold the letter, and right hand reach the pen, grasp the pen, carry pen to paper and sign the letter and return the pen to holder, release pen in holder and move hand back to the letter. So this is the signing a letter. Simple example to you, clear you. An actual 200 process chart, it is to clear your idea used in industry. The operation is what? Fixing screw on assembly. Suppose this is assembly. The operator is here. He is fixing the screw on this assembly. So what is the date? What is the time? What is the cycle time? All these it is shown on this one. Left hand description here. Left hand description, and this description represented by the symbol, and for this work time or process time operation, how much time is required by the operator. This is by left hand side, left hand description. And similarly right hand description, what insert the screw in hole, this is the operation, how much time required, 1 minute or 1 second. So it is in second. So bring screwdriver to screw, the direction movement of the it will show, and how much time required, 1 second. Tighten screw, 5 seconds. This is the operation. Hold the screw to a hole. This is the operation. 5 seconds. Similarly, parallelly, both are working hands. Okay. So this is the simple one example, and one more example I will show you. So the layout. Suppose this is the bolts are kept here, and nuts are kept here. An operator is what on this table it is placed. Okay, operator will pick up the bolt and nuts, and what they will do, they make one assembly, nut and bolts, and keep this assembly at this place A. Okay, how it will drawn process chart like this: assembly of nut and bolt, 200 process chart. This is the present method, and chart begin with the both hands are free before assembly and both hands are free after assembly. The charts end here. The left hand side, this is the right hand side. The description, these are the symbols, and this is the flow. For right hand side, this is the description, these are the symbols. First, second, third, fourth. How many operations are done? Operations are shown by the circle, and these are the symbols. Okay, for the air transportation. Okay, so this is a symbol represented here, and how much time? Summary I will show you here. See, symbol for the operation, transport, and the hold and the delay. So frequency of right hand side, frequency of left hand side is 5 2. See, right hand side 5 times it will operate, and it will operate 2 times, and it will be delay. Means it will not operate left hand side, when it will operate. Means what? Reach the bolt, reach the nut, grasp the bolt head and grasp the nut, carry it to central position, carry it to central position, place nut and bolt, screw nut, grasp assembly, carry to the box, hold the bolt, till this it will hold the bolt, and transfer assembly to the right hand, and that will be kept on the right hand, will be kept on this, carry to the box and release the assembly here at place A. So return hand to the central position. So central position it will return. So like this, the both the hands are free after assembly. This is the that will study the what is the detail study. We are clear this idea. So next is the multiple activity chart. Already we are studying 200 operator, 200 process chart. In this multiple activity, what is the difference? In this chart, activity is more than one subject, like workers or machines or equipment. More than one are recorded on a common time scale to show their interrelationship. More than one worker or one machine parallelly, they are shown multiple activity chart. The activities more than one item are recorded on a common time scale to show their interrelationship. That's why there are different types of the multiple activity chart. One first is the man-machine chart. Here, the man handling one job or one machine. That is the man-machine chart. Here, multi-machine chart. One man handling number of machines. That is the man multi-machine chart. Here, machine multi-man chart means group or gang doing collectively one job, as in waiting. Okay. Multi-man machine chart means what? Multiple man, and also machines are multiple. The number of persons working on a computer system in the software industry, you can see that activity. Okay. So this is the multiple activity chart, and in it the activities of more than one item or worker, machine, equipments. Already you are clear with this one. Okay. It is used. Worker operates number of machine at a time, or also is used in number of workers jointly do the job. So why to study this multiple activity chart? So multiple activity charts are very useful tool for understanding the flow of work in a cyclic process, and as a consequence understanding which resource is controlling overall progress of work. That also we will come to know. Tool can be used to model different scenarios to determine optimum mix of resources for the work. This multiple activity chart tool is also to model the different scenarios, determine the optimum mix of the resources. So then the purpose of multiple activity chart, it will be clear to you. What purpose? To detect the ideal time on machine or workers. Where is the ideal time? It will also detect. To optimize the distribution between the workers and machines. To decide number of groups. Okay. Can also decide and distribute the teamwork. To balance the teamwork also. That teamwork also can balance the work in between the team. To examine the activities. What are the activities they are doing or not properly, that you can examine. It is also used for recording the complex movement of material or main. And lastly, used to find out the most economical route, and that will be increase your productivity and production. So this is the one of the chart shown to you here. The multiple activity chart present method they are using. Okay, what is the task? Machining a component. The chart begins the part to be machined lying near machine, and chart ends with the machine part lying in a container after the machine the container. So see, this is the columns are shown to you. Here times is represented for the operator with the description of the operator, and this is the time, how much time is actually conducted, and that machine or operator is working represented by this dark portion. When it is working, it is represented by the dark portion or hatching portion, and when there is a blank portion, that is the ideal. That operator column is time and their position. Similarly for machine is ideal and the description and the time required. So this is the symbol they are represented here. They are working or they are ideal, and this is the timing for that description and how much time is required actually, and that consequently here it is added 0.20 for load the job. After that 0.8 added here. Consequently total time we can calculate, or for each operations you can write here the timing for this operator and machine. The time is written here and consequently added here, and the total cycle time here we get it for the operator and machine 1.96. For individual also you can calculate here for the operator and individual for the here 1.5 for the machine. So here is the summary. You can clear you, and from this you can take the decision. So lastly, application of multiple activity chart: plant repair maintenance, job construction. Okay, construction sites, industry also use planning the teamwork. Already we have studied. It is used to check the whether workstation is correctly located or not. So friends, with this all the charts are over in part 1 and part 2. In next we will study the micro motion study and your diagrams for recording techniques. Now at the end of video, friends, just try to write what you are learned from this video and what are my top 3 takeaways or my most significant learning from this video. You have to write yourself, then you will able to learn, and also you can assess it through various quiz. So friends, if you are not till subscribe my channel for more informative, thank you very much. Subscribe my channel.